Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess? You download budgeting apps, meticulously track your spending for a week, then life gets busy and, poof, your budget goes out the window. We've all been there. Budgeting can feel like a chore, a constant battle against the urge to just say screw it and treat yourself. But what if there was an app that made managing your money actually enjoyable? Enter Fave. Now, before you roll your eyes and think another budgeting app, let me tell you, Fave is different. It ditches the spreadsheets and boring charts for a fun, gamified experience that keeps you engaged and motivated to reach your financial goals. So, buckle up and get ready to learn what Fave does and why it might just be the budgeting revolution you've been waiting for. Fave, your financial playground. Imagine a world where every time you spend responsibly, you earn points. Points that translate into real-world rewards like discounts at your favorite stores, gift cards, or even cash back. That's the basic premise of Fave. The app connects to your bank account, securely, of course, and categorizes your spending automatically. But unlike other budgeting apps that leave you feeling restricted, Fave lets you set your own rules. You define what responsible spending means for you. Want to reward yourself for sticking to your grocery budget? Done. Aiming to cut back on eating out? Fave can help you track your progress and celebrate milestones with rewards. Turning budgeting into a game. But Fave goes beyond just points and rewards. It gamifies the entire budgeting process. Think of it like a financial fitness tracker with achievements, challenges, and leaderboards. You can compete with friends, or friendly frenemies, to see who can save the most or stick to their spending goals for the longest. The app throws in fun animations and a user-friendly interface that makes tracking your finances feel less like a chore and more like playing a game. Suddenly, budgeting becomes something you actually look forward to checking in on. More than just rewards, Fave's hidden gems. Fave isn't just about the points and rewards, although those are pretty awesome. The app also offers some handy features that can help you manage your money more effectively. Automated budgeting. Tired of manually entering every expense? Fave does the heavy lifting for you by automatically categorizing your spending based on your bank transactions. Bills management. Never miss a bill payment again. Fave can track upcoming bills and send you reminders to ensure you stay on top of your finances. Insights and analytics. Want to see where your money is actually going? Fave provides clear and concise breakdowns of your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back and save. Financial goals. Dreaming of a vacation or a down payment on a house? Set financial goals within the app and track your progress as you move closer to achieving them. Is Fave right for you? Fave is a great option for anyone who finds traditional budgeting methods boring or restrictive, wants a fun and engaging way to manage their finances, enjoys earning rewards for responsible spending, needs help with staying on top of bills and managing upcoming expenses. However, it's important to note that Fave might not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you need a highly detailed budgeting app with in-depth financial tracking tools, Fave might be a little light on those features. The final verdict, a budgeting app you won't hate. Fave is a breath of fresh air in the world of budgeting apps. It takes a gamified approach that makes managing your money feel less like a chore and more like a fun and rewarding experience. With its intuitive interface, helpful features, and focus on positive reinforcement, Fave might just be the key to finally crushing your financial goals. So, why not give it a try? Download Fave, set your own spending rules, and see if you can turn budgeting into a game you actually enjoy playing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.